Hi there, my name is Beth and I'm a librarian at Sanibel Public Library, and today I'd like to tell you about one of the amazing databases that you have access to with your Sanibel Public Library card. It's called NoveList Plus, and it's honestly one of my favorite places to go when I want to find a book to read. You can find it on our website, sanlib.org. Go under Resources, look for those little headings at the top. You're going to want the one called Books, and the NoveList Plus is under there. You will need to enter your library card number, no spaces, and your PIN, which is of course the last 4 digits of your card number. NoveList Plus is really great for finding books that you may not have ever heard of but might be your new favorite. You can either search for subject terms, like say you like stories that are atmospheric and full of quirky characters. You can search those 2 specific things and they will find you results and more books to read. They also publish lists of books for all ages, for adults, teen, age 9 to 12, and age 0 to 8. You can find books under all these different categories or try their appeal mixer where you combine different search terms and it'll spit out a list of books that you might like to read. You can browse by genre, appeal, themes, award winners, and audiobooks. NoveList Plus is also really great for putting into words maybe the things you didn't even know what you liked about a book. You enter your favorite book and it'll give you a whole list of search terms that you can use to find other books that are like your favorite. By far the best feature of NoveList Plus, though, is definitely title Readalikes. Like I previously mentioned, you enter your favorite book in the keyword search at the top, and once you find it, you'll see something called Title Readalikes down at the bottom of the title. If you click on that, it's going to give you a list of other books that other readers and librarians recommend that are similar to your book. I've found this feature to be really great because whoever's recommending the book will add why they're recommending it and why they think it'll appeal to you as a reader. If you need any help accessing any of our databases, you can go to our website, sanlib.org, or email us at notices@sanlib.org, and one of our librarians will be more than happy to assist you. Thanks for watching, and stay healthy.